Dr. Bruce Banner was a brilliant scientist who attempted to create a weapon known as the Gamma Bomb. His main objective was to prevent the future wars, but after being exposed in the blast of the Gamma Bomb test, his life was changed forever. Whenever angered or threatened, Dr. Banner now transforms into a green beast known as the Hulk. When it comes to pure brutal strength, few beings exist who can match with the Hulk, but there is a version more powerful than the original one, the Marvel Zombies Hulk. Welcome to ComicsTube YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll cover top 5 brutal Hulk moments in Marvel Zombies. So, if you are new here, a sub to this channel will be highly appreciated. And turn on all the notifications, that way you will get notified whenever we post a new content. Please like, comment and share. All the text and images are owned by its respected company. You can support them by purchasing it digitally or from any offline stores. Marvel Zombies takes place in an alternate Earth 2149, where a superhero from another dimension crash lands into their Earth, driven by the hunger virus. He fed on the Avengers, turning them into a soulless monster who consumed the world in 24 hours. When Silver Surfer arrives on Earth and informs them about his master Galactus is on his way to this planet to divorce it, the zombie heroes quickly jump at him and starts to attack. However, with the help of his enormous cosmic power, he easily finishes off most of the zombie heroes. He is also immune to their bites. But that changes as Hulk caught him off guard by jumping directly at him. Silver Surfer manages to blast his cosmic power at his face, but he survives that and chomped up Surfer's head by his jaw. When Galactus descends upon the Earth, he is attacked by the horde of zombie heroes, but he easily repels their attack. Later, with the help of Iron Man, Bruce Banner and Giant Man, they create a device that can shoot cosmic blast. With the combined power of the zombie heroes, they throws a massive gigantic cosmic blast directly at Galactus, which ends up injuring him. As a result, Zombie Hulk and the other zombie heroes satisfy their hunger over Galactus' meat. Hulk's hunger combined with the cosmic power makes him more dangerous than Galactus and the most powerful beings in the entire Marvel universe. In Marvel Zombie Returns Chapter 4, Earth-G's Hulk lands on the blue area of the moon alongside with the Warbound members. There he discovers zombie Black Bolt and Medusa, but before Hulk can do anything, he gets caught by the zombified Giant Man from the back. Giant Man's main objective is to go to every dimension and satisfy his hunger with the help of a teleporter device, which he finds in the blue area of Moon. He throws his giant punch directly at Hulk and slams him to the ground. Hulk becomes surrounded by the horde of zombies. As he gets cornered, the warbound of Sakaar quickly enters into the battlefield to help their king. The battle now continues to rage on the moon's surface. Giant Man and the infected Inhumans' onslaught begins. They brutally kill and eat the remains of the warbound members. Hulk grabs one of his warbound members and tries to escape, but it is already too late, as during the battle, Hulk has been beaten by one of the zombies. The infection quickly takes place in his body. He immediately grabs his sidekick, splits her in half and then ate her. As Hulk turned into a zombie, he quickly landed on Earth and ends up devouring all citizens of New York City. As the situation becomes worse, Iron Man quickly contacts the Sentry to stop Hulk's onslaught. He smites his face with his powerful strikes left and right. The sheer impact of those strikes was so powerful, which causes Hulk to collapse to the ground as blood spitting from his mouth. However, when Hulk reverted back to his human form, he caught Sentry off guard and bite his hand, which makes Sentry the most powerful zombie exist on the planet. And their journey begins to consume one city at a time and then one planet at a time. In the Marvel Zombies 2 Chapter 1, the remaining zombie heroes devour the entire universe. As the group begins to worry where they will find their next meal, the zombie Thanos accuses Zombie Hulk for having eaten more than his fair share. But Hulk takes this as an offense. Iron Man tries to calm them down, but it's already too late. In the next panel, Hulk smashes his hand around Thanos' head, which causes to explode his head right in that spot. Here are some other notable moments. Swallows Magneto's leg in a single bite in Marvel Zombie Chapter 1. Devours an entire living planet in Marvel Zombies 2 Chapter 1. slaughters Iron Man, Phoenix, Firelord and Hawkeye, and later executed by his former allies. Thus, the top 5 brutal moments of the zombified Hulk comes to a close. Which part you like the most? Please comment down below. And also please like, share and subscribe, as this will motivate me to make more contents. I will see you guys soon.